The Iranis, along with the Parsis, came to Mumbai via Gujarat, bringing a tradition of baking with them. Adding beer marked the change, the beginning of a new era, giving us a taste of the street-side cafe atmosphere and relaxing with cold beer. They are fast disappearing, but some stalwarts stand firmly, and thank goodness for them. I'm at the beginning of Colaba Causeway, surrounded by great architecture and also something that is special to Mumbai, the Irani Cafe. Now they've been around for a long time, but today I want to take you to a place that has serious history, began in the last century, where good food and a cold glass of refreshing beer is a way of life. Let me show you where it is. Cafe Leopold has been around since 1871, evolving over the years to its present-day iconic status. You'll find it in every guidebook to India. Its clientele ranging from busy executives on a break, students out for a quick bite, to thirsty backpack travelers from around the globe. I'm off to meet brothers Farzad and Farhang who run it, and Samrat Chadda who makes sure they are well stocked with enough cold beer to feed the guzzling crowds.
Cheers.
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 Here's
Health,
to
wealth and
good
prosperity.
times, good health,
yes.
and here's to Leopold and the culture of good old-fashioned Irani cafes, never going out of style
Absolutely.
in Mumbai.
At least
Cheers
not
to the beers.
Leopold. Cheers.
You bet. I'd grown up on the whole concept of an Irani cafe, whether they serve beer or we just had chai and omelets and muska, bun muska, and keema pao, never forget.
Curry biscuit.
Khari biscuit. And then of course when it came up with beer, that made it even better.
The phase that Leopold has gone through was first it was a chemist, then it was a drugstore,
Wow.
then it was an oil merchant, then it became into a departmental store.
Oh my god.
And then it became to a beer bar.
With a restaurant.
Yeah.
We had a wine shop.
We had a wine shop also with the restaurant. And then, of course, before that, we had the beer bar. Then the wine shop came. Then
Okay.
the wine shop moved out and the permit room came in.
Super.
So,
Have the perceptions changed about drinking beer? Have you seen people changing, maturing, taste changing, and do you think the market is actually ready to accept change and to accept different styles of beers? Apart from just lagers?
Yes and no. Yes, in the sense that there are more beers in the market, but really speaking, the flavor of the beer hasn't changed. It's still the cold lager which interests everybody. And,
Isn't it true?
very much, very good.
Why do you think? Do you think that the drinkers have matured over a period of time, and the time now is right for bringing in new styles of beers? What do you think? Are they ready?
They are
It is
ready,
right.
yes,
It is
because
right.
they want to try different. Like today in scotches and whiskies and all these things coming into the Indian market.
They are
We
trying,
are
isn't
trying,
it?
yes. As well as simultaneously, as we are getting an opportunity to get in a lot of imported beers, foreign beers and all that thing, people
people are
also
drinking
want
them.
to drink them.
Different styles.
Because they've heard about it. It's not that they have not heard about it. People travel more often nowadays.
Absolutely.
So they have the taste of the beer.
I'm sure if some companies or launch new brands and new flavors, there will be an interesting factor to start with.
Okay.
I mean, people will try it, but people getting hooked onto it, I'm not too sure.
That's a long way, I would say.
It's a
Correct?
fad, yeah.
Huh.
It's a fad.
Wow. Oh my god. Kebabs and beer is like totally made for each other combination.
Very much true. Imported beers that have come into the market, they have still stuck. There are lots of people that have stuck on to the old beer.
Correct.
And now, for example, tourists. When tourists come down to India, they want to have the Indian beer.
Isn't that true
Yeah.
now?
You see, the
Most
tourists.
people who come, and you would know that because you get a lot of
Absolutely.
expats here
Absolutely.
at Leopold,
Absolutely.
they do like to drink Indian beer, isn't
Right.
it? Which brings me to a point, and Samrat, you may be able to shed some light upon it. Have you in your experience seen that in the last 10 years, exports of Indian beers outside have grown? Because
plenty.
if we are talking made in India,
Yeah.
Indian food and Indian beer works really well. And we know it for a fact that Indian food is now becoming a huge phenomenon all over the world.
Absolutely.
Which means more and more Indian restaurants, almost anywhere you go.
Oh yeah.
Are they also then asking for Indian beer with that food?
Very
Just
much.
to make it this
Very much.
brilliantly perfect experience?
United Kingdom, for example, has had these Indian restaurants for decades.
Oh
I would
yeah,
imagine.
chicken tikka masala is a national dish, yeah.
Absolutely.
The
This is good stuff, no?
the food made for the boss, but I'm sure it's not up to the mark.
I think it's superb. I think it's absolutely fabulous. And the best part is, like I said, it's made for beer.
Talking about beer and draft beer, we introduce. Let me drink to it. We introduced that nobody introduced yet in India. I won't say Bombay,
Okay.
in India. Tower beer. We call it the tower beer.
Okay, brilliant.
It's pitcher beer. It's poured in the tower.
Okay.
Not one person is pouring for everybody. Everybody turns the
And pours their
tower
own beer?
and pours one. Yes, that they want to pour it out of
Let's
the
pour
tower.
our own beer then.
So can we get that?
Of course, definitely. One tower beer, please.
Do you think that draft beer in cafe atmospheres is far more popular than bottled beers?
It depends upon every individual what they want to drink. A bottled beer has a different taste to what
Correct.
a draft beer has. Draft beer goes on the milder side
The
of.
alcoholic content is much less compared to the one in the bottle. As well as the bristling is very less compared to the one in the
It's
bottle.
fresher taste.
It's much
Fresh.
fresher.
Basically,
But
I
do
would
you-
say fresh.
It's
But-
just fresh beer. That's it. It's
Fresh beer.
the technical term is unpasteurized beer.
Unpasteurized beer. The beer doesn't start disintegrating really fast, and here comes your tower.
Tower beer.
And let me
Beer
finish
on
this one
tap.
very quickly.
Definitely. May I take the
Oh yes.
pleasure?
Absolutely.
Right.
I have never enjoyed beer as much as I am today, trust me. And I have a feeling it's not to do with the beer, but it's to do with the company that I'm in. I
Thank
think
you.
I'm having a great
Thank
time
you.
with all you guys.
Thank you.
So okay guys, cheers.
Cheers.
Here's to great company. Like I
Thank
said,
you.
it's not about the beer,
Pleasure is
it's
all
about
ours.
the company. I
Absolutely.
hope you've enjoyed watching what we've been talking about, listening to us. And like I said, don't forget, if you're in Mumbai, if you don't come to an Nari restaurant, eat
Come
good
to
food,
Leopold.
have
Come for the
some-
good chill beer.
Come for the good chilled beer.
That's the-
Order a
that's
the key
tower.
point.
Good chilled beer.
Order this great tower. And I tell you, you will never be short of the good times.
Absolutely.
going.
Absolutely. Absolutely.